two sisters standing in court, admitting their entire childhood was shaped by crime. That is exactly what unfolded in a New Zealand courtroom where twin sisters Courtney and Carmen Habib faced sentencing after years of repeated supermarket thefts. The case revealed a disturbing pattern, not just of organized shoplifting, but of a lifestyle learned from a very young age. According to court proceedings, the sisters were involved in multiple theft incidents across Auckland, targeting supermarkets again and again. Authorities detailed how large amounts of goods were taken over several years, sometimes using trolleys and even family members to carry out the acts. The court heard that one sister alone was responsible for tens of thousands of dollars in stolen goods, while the other also played a role in several incidents. However, what made this case stand out was not just the scale of theft, but the explanation behind it. Their legal defense highlighted that both sisters were exposed to this behavior during childhood, where stealing was normalized within their environment. As the case unfolded, the judge acknowledged the difficult upbringing, but emphasized that repeated offenses had real consequences for businesses and the wider community. The sentencing reflected a balance between accountability and rehabilitation. Both sisters were given home detention instead of prison, along with strict conditions and financial repayment orders. One of the most significant developments came from the sisters themselves. One described her time in custody as a turning point, saying it forced her to reflect on her actions and think about her children's future. The other has already begun distancing herself from that environment, signaling an attempt to break away from the cycle. The court also issued a warning that without change, such patterns can continue across generations. This case highlights a bigger issue, showing how early environment and repeated behavior can shape long-term decisions, but also how intervention at the right time can create an opportunity for change. It raises important questions about responsibility, rehabilitation, and whether people can truly move beyond a life they were raised in. For more updates and detailed reports like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for our next video.